catches in the first half for 152 yards for Antonio Brown.
In the NFL last year, similar scenario, they went 3-0. Roethlisberger to the sideline. Raiders believe that Brown was out of bounds. The officials disagree. Clean catch for Brown, working against DJ Hayden. First down. Roethlisberger fires it into Antonio Brown. So the Steelers open up at their own 17 with a play action. Roethlisberger looking for the home run ball. Deep is Brown. Antonio Brown with the grab. Stays on his feet. Brought down inside the 25. From the gun. Roethlisberger. It's a deep ball. Over the shoulder. Antonio Brown. Roethlisberger drops it in the bucket. And he took a shot from Aldon Smith. Once again out of the gun. Roethlisberger pulls the trigger and connects. Antonio Brown, a 4-year starter. Jones, he does throw it. It's complete. Antonio Brown, and that's a new Steelers record. His 15th catch of the day, the most ever. Rush is coming. Jones throws it. It's caught by Brown. Antonio Brown crossing into Oakland territory. It's a foot race. Antonio Brown is out of bounds. Antonio Brown with a dominant performance today in Pittsburgh. 284 receiving yards, and he has put the Steelers in field goal range.
How about Charles Woodson keeping him out of the end zone here?